The factory runs, the power goes out, and diesel takes over again. 8 hours of blackout every day. Diesel above $1.6 per litre, and every outage burns your profit. That's the African energy reality. But in Zambia, something just changed. 4 megawatts peak solar. 4 megawatts, 6.2 megawatt hours energy storage system, tied into a 33 kilovolts high voltage bus. On-grid and off-grid, seamless. 34 units of 120 kilowatt MPPT controllers squeeze every watt from the African sun at 99.4% efficiency, C5M and IP66 for high humidity and salt fog conditions. 2 units of 2 megawatts inverters with VSG. Grid fails, the system black starts, rebuilds voltage, and your factory is back online. Less than 20 milliseconds. 3 LFP battery containers, 6.2 megawatt hours, over 8,000 cycles, 95% depth of discharge, built for years of daily cycling in the heat. From 6 in the morning to 10 at night, the energy choreographs itself. Morning, solar and battery together. Midday, solar surplus stored. Afternoon, solar and battery again. Night. The grid returns and tops up the battery. No operator, no guesswork. So, what does all of this mean for the business? Reliable power, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. More than 7,000 megawatt hours of clean energy every year. A significant reduction in diesel consumption caused by grid outages. And more than 30% savings on grid electricity costs. This is not just a concept, it is a working energy solution. Africa's energy transition is not something waiting in the future. It is already happening, right here, right now. Stop letting power outages dictate your production. Stop letting diesel costs eat into your profits. Take control of your energy. Build your own microgrid.